In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication name on Substack. Whether you are rebranding, clarifying your focus, or simply refining your style, updating the name is quick and straightforward, and it can make a big difference in how readers connect with your work. First, log into your Substack account. Head to substack.com in your web browser and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you are on your dashboard, you are ready to make the change. Next, navigate to your settings page. From the main navigation, look for Settings, typically available in the sidebar. Click it to open a page with sections that control how your publication looks and behaves. Now, scroll to the Basics section. This area includes core details like your publication name and description. You are looking for the field labeled Publication Name. Click into the Publication Name field and type the new name exactly as you want readers to see it. Aim for clarity and readability. Short, memorable names tend to work best. And consistent capitalization or styling helps with brand recognition. Keep in mind that this name appears on your publication homepage, on your posts, and in the emails your subscribers receive. Changing it won't alter your web address or your subscriber list. It simply updates the display name your audience sees. Before you save, take a moment to proofread. Double-check spelling, punctuation, and spacing. And make sure the tone matches your content. If you are weighing a couple of options, think about how each name will look alongside your logo and tagline, and whether it clearly communicates your niche or perspective. When you are happy with the new name, click Save. The Save button is usually near the field or at the bottom of the section. After saving, you should see a confirmation and the updated name will go live right away. From this point on, your posts and email headers will reflect the new title, and your homepage will show the change as well. And that's it. You've successfully changed your publication name on Substack in just a few clicks. If you ever want to update it again, repeat these same steps. A clear, consistent publication name helps readers instantly understand what your publication is about and makes your brand easier to remember. Thanks for watching.